From New York, I'm Bonnie Quinn. This is Bloomberg Markets.
And live from London, I'm Mark Barton. Right, let's chat oil, let's chat gold. Both gold and oil rising, gold nearing its highest level in 5 months. Oil gaining, coming off the highs, to be fair. That's on the prospect of extension to production cuts. Joining us now for Futures in Focus to discuss this further, Tim Evans, founder, chief market strategist at Longleaf Trading Group. Tim, thanks for joining us. We've got the EIA stockpile data due in just a matter of minutes. The May contract, WTI contract earlier, up for a 7th consecutive day. Best run of the year. Is the stockpile data going to give further upside to those bulls?
Well, I mean, if the EIA data today reflects what we saw yesterday in the API, which showed a draw of 1.3 million barrels, absolutely. I mean, that'll give bulls something to work with here. You know, ultimately the bulls are looking for a change in the trend of builds week over week. So it would definitely, on top of these geopolitical tensions, give the bulls a lot to work with.
Lot of things to digest, Tim, isn't there? We've had report out of OPEC today, its monthly report, its compliance levels. They're 104% in March. That's a bullish signal. On the bearish side, you know, they're highlighting the threat of U.S. production. Are you leaning more towards the bullish side or the bearish side?
Well, I mean, I think the market got a little overdone when we broke 50 bucks, headed toward 47. I mean, I think the rally off of those lows has definitely been justified. But, you know, the balancing we're trying to find from the draws and, you know, and the results from the production cut and the increase in production we're seeing from, you know, the U.S. shale, you know, I don't think until we see some hard evidence that, you know, global supplies are winding down some, you know, a move much higher from here is going to be ultimately justified, at least in the short term.
Tim, talk to me about gold. Gold futures are up to levels we haven't seen since November. Is this a pure hedge now against geopolitical worries?
Yeah, I mean, and it's actually a nice break from, you know, the way gold's been trading for months. I mean, gold's, you know, been more or less a fiat currency trade for months, but these geopolitical uncertainties that have been introduced to the market have definitely given, you know, gold bugs, you know, a reason to buy gold. You know, we've taken out the February highs at 1268. You know, I think as long as the market holds that level, you know, I think this upward trend ultimately can continue higher toward 1300.
Tim, always great to see you. Tim Evans, Longleaf Trading. More markets next. This is Bloomberg.